To determine cutting patterns for membrane structures, use the RF Cutting Pattern add-on module. With the use of cutting lines, the membrane is first divided into partial strips. This creates a plane defined according to the global grid. The plane intersects the membrane and further creates lines directly on the membrane. Press Enter to repeat this command. Create another section line and mirror both lines to the other side of the membrane. To generate all cutting patterns in one step, choose Generate Cutting Patterns from Cells. Select all cutting patterns and uniformly define the required membrane properties. To consider long-term creep effects, reduce the warp and weft membrane dimensions. Overlaps at edges and weld lines can be considered with allowances. Then begin the flattening process calculation. The results include the cutting pattern point coordinates. Under the Statistics tab, find additional information about all ironed cutting patterns. Select Ctrl-E on your keyboard to open the Export dialog box. Export all cutting patterns as a DXF format. In addition to all other model data, the cutting patterns are included in the RFEM printout report.